Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can boost your FPS on GTA 5 Enhanced and how you can fix FPS drops, lagging, stuttering and freezing. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, I will show you in game settings, then we'll go on Windows. The best part of it, with this guide you don't need to download anything. So first on Windows you just need to go to a graphics, and then these are the settings that you need to do. So the first one, pause game on focus loss off, output monitor, the real doesn't matter, screen type, borderless or full screen, it's up to you. The frame limit off, VSync off, if you have Nvidia reflex on with boost, then enable ray tracing off, then frame scaling, depending on what you have. If you have Nvidia GPU, use Nvidia DLSS with the quality. If you don't have it Nvidia, use AMD FSR 3 with quality as well. Then what you need to do here, you need to go to shader quality, make sure it's normal, texture quality high, and isotropic filtering X2, particles quality normal, tessellation off, then water quality and grass quality normal, lighting, reflection and shadow quality normal, shelf shadows softer, long shadows off, post effects normal, ambient exclusion off, popular density in the, with popular variety in the middle, distance scaling, it's one tick, high detail streaming while flying off, and that's the settings that you need to have here. And now let's go in Windows settings. First of all, make sure that your operating system and GPU is fully updated. Just go to settings, Windows update. If there is an update, just install all and restart your computer. Same thing with your GPU drivers, depending what you have. I have Nvidia, so I just need to go to Nvidia app. I just need to go to drivers and then install latest drivers here. Next thing, before you play the game, always open up Task Manager and end all the tasks that you don't use, that is CPU and GPU heavy, and then play the game. Also, go to details and disable, not details, startup apps, and disable all the status here, because when your computer loads up, these apps loads up as well, and it requires a lot of your computer resources, so disable as much as possible here. Then what you need to do here, you need to go to settings, then go to gaming, game mode, make sure it's off, go to gaming, game bar, make sure is on. Then if you have Nvidia GPU, you just need to right click on your desktop, show more options, Nvidia control panel, and we need to tweak few settings here. So the first one is configure surround on 5x, make sure it's your dedicated GPU. Then go to manage 3D settings, select a global settings, then scroll down a bit until you see monitor technology, make sure G-Sync compatible, open GL rendering GPU, make sure your dedicated GPU, power management mode, make sure prefer maximum performance, preferred refresh rate, highest available, textual filtering on, textual filtering quality, super important, make sure it's high performance, textual filtering trilinear optimization on with redundant optimization as well, VSync off, and yeah, that's pretty much it here. Then what you need to do here, you need to write edit power plan, then select power options, select ultimate performance. If ultimate performance not available, select high performance, and you can close this window here. Then what you need to do here is to open up Steam, look for GTA 5 Enhanced, right click on it, properties, and then on general, make sure on launch options, write minus high and minus use all available cores, then press install files, browse. And then you need to find a few files. So the first one is GTA 5 Enhanced CXE, GTA 5 Enhanced B, play GTA 5. And then what you need to do here is to right click one by one. Go to properties, compatibility, make sure to disable full screen optimizations, change high DPI scaling, then override DPI scaling behavior, select application, and do with all three of them, right? Compatibility, disable full screen optimizations, change high DPI settings, override, okay, and do with play GTA as well. And then after that, after you do these changes here, what you need to do here is to copy the path of the day game, then go to a graphic settings, Then on graphic settings, make sure to press advanced graphic settings and make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is on. Then select add a desktop app. Then paste the path that you copied. And then you just need to add them one by one. So first one, and then scroll down until you see the thing. And then select high performance and make sure optimizations for windowed games is selected. Then go back, add desktop app, enhance BE, go and look for it here, high performance. And then another one is play GTA 5. And it should be somewhere here. This was the last. Did not this. And do the same here. Right? Then what we need to do here is to go back, go on search and right view advanced system settings. Then on view advanced system settings, you need to go to advanced performance settings. Then select custom and then only leave save taskbar, save thumbnails and smooth edges. And close this window. Then what you need to do here is to write run. Then write %temp% and delete all the temporary files from here. And after that, launch the game. Don't worry, some files cannot be deleted, so just leave them there. Not a big deal. And yeah, that's basically it. So if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.